lowball. Sell your car on clutch.ca and get paid instantly. That's Clutch. Your next report is at 3:21. Now with your forecast, Denise Andriacci.
Some sunny breaks today, a guaranteed high of 11 degrees. It's still quite windy, but most of the wet weather is tapered off. As we move through the overnight, wet weather moves back in, so we really can't catch a break. We are rainy again tomorrow. The winds won't be as gusty tomorrow. Highs around 13 degrees. Monday, sun and cloud near 15. Our overnight low tonight is 5.
Well, downtown right now, it is mostly cloudy at 9 degrees. 3:14 here on 680 News Radio, and Toronto's first neurodivergent friendly restaurant going a step further. Surron Kitchen teaming up with In Ocean Canada, Grayson Music, and Jazz Hands Music Place to create the first sensory-friendly EP album. It's called Breaking Barriers. It helps lessen the stress of dining out. Surron Kitchen is using it as the restaurant's dining